Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel. I am a founder of Just Money Care. As we have seen since last few days, we are posting few videos on trend analysis, and also trend lines. With the help of you can able to find a trend, and with the help of trend line, you can able to trade even in stocks and in an index also. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about Yes Bank. Especially in today's trading session, Yes Bank is the highest losing side stock performer. And let's see how this stock movement has been in past and what we can expect in the near short-term future. So let's analyze the charts of Yes Bank, and starting with this monthly chart of Yes Bank. I hope you are able to see my chart of Yes Bank of monthly spot price chart. So we have seen since last 5 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6 month, 6th August is going on. Since last 5 months, we have able to see the previous month low has been broken consistently every month, consecutively every month. So it is not a good sign. And in today's month, August month, we have seen July month low has been broken right now. So it is not a good sign for bulls. And we have seen some downside selling pressure as well. Uh, we have previously recorded one video where we have seen Yes Bank has support around 90-92 zone. At the same level, Yes Bank bounced up to around 105, 108 levels. And again, the selling pressure has been resumed. And right now, Yes Bank is trading near 73 bucks, and it's a 52-week low of this stock. So we can see monthly chart is not showing any kind of strength till now, and RSI is also trading below 40 zone. It is not a good sign for bulls, and the lows of previous months consistently broken since last 5-6 months. It is also not good sign for bulls. So monthly charts are totally bearish right now and not showing any kind of reversals till now on the charts. Let's move to the weekly chart of Yes Bank. And we have seen Yes Bank has some consolidation on weekly charts around 97, 97, 98 to below 80, 82 zone. And today's week, in the starting of the week, we have can able to see the breakout of below side below the 80 level, which is not a good sign. RSI is also trading below 40. Bearish momentum is built up till now. And if we can see the range of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 weeks has been broken today in with a very good volumes. We can able to see volumes are very high, but today's week is not complete. This week is not complete yet, so we can able to see some more selling pressure with good volumes in Yes Bank. So overall, the range which since last 5 weeks has been broken, which is not good sign for bulls on a weekly chart as well. And coming down to the lower time frame of daily chart, you can see there is a very good resistance of 20 days moving average, and from the same level of the moving average resistance, Yes Bank stock has cracking very sharply and breakout below 80, which is not a very good sign for bulls. At least we can say it is a short selling signal around 80 levels, because last 4 to 5 weeks, Yes Bank was taking support at 40, support at 80 level, and today it has broken the support of 80, which is not a good sign for bulls. So now we can see how the further levels of Yes Bank we can identify. So we can simply use the Fibonacci level, and the previous thing retracement we can take, and the levels has been showing is around 65 is a 161%, and if the 261% arrived, then we can able to see 44 level, which is a very bearish sign for Yes Bank. So coming forward to the upcoming levels for this Yes Bank is around 65 is a major support area for Yes Bank, and right now stock trading near 73 levels. So don't try to catch a falling knife and by averaging your buying positions, but wait for 65 levels. And I would say and suggest don't buy this stock till any kind of reversal we can see on charts. If we can able to see any reversals, then and then we can try to buy around support zone. Otherwise, we can avoid this stock, and I seriously suggest you to avoid buying averaging, because the recently breakout is below 80 level. Momentum is also showing very good, because RSI is below 40 level. So right now we can expect a 65 level, or maybe if the pain will be more, then we can also able to see 44 level in Yes Bank. So this is a detailed analysis of Yes Bank. So recently the suggestion for Yes Bank is not to buy on any decline, and you can apply a sell on rise strategy if you can able to find any kind of rise in the price on the lower time frame charts like 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 75 minutes, then you can able to short sell this counter. And seriously, if you are want to buy, then avoid the buy, because the momentum is bearish and no reversal signals has been seen yet. So if you like this video, please comment below, and subscribe to my channel and share with other traders also, so they can able to get the knowledge and able to use this information for their trading. Thank you so much. That's all for the day.